Hey everybody, Glenn from Link, all by myself today, standing over here in our Kichler area. You know, I came across a couple items here that we bought heavy on, and I thought that maybe I could pass some savings along to you guys. I know that everybody's always looking for a great Pathlight at a great price. Kichler has the 15505 CBR, and it's a 20-inch height, 6-inch hat, solid brass. Takes a buy pin, lifetime warranty on the brass, on the fixture, and it's got a good setup. It's not one of the ones where just the hat comes off, so it's got the good seal on it, not going to leak on you. Lifetime warranty, and I bought a ton of them, so I'm going to run these things on special. Hope I don't get slapped on the wrist for this, but how about 59 bucks? And we bought a ton. And I also wanted to show you, while I got you, Kichler has a 200 watt integrated transformer. It's got all digital built-in photo cell and timer, 12 tap is what it has, stainless steel. The difference in this versus some of the other integrated transformers, 10-year warranty. Pretty darn good. Most of the integrateds come with a 2-year or 5-year. 10-year on this Kichler. I'm going to run these, I bought a bunch of them as well, $89.99. Can't beat that for an integrated 200 watt. All right, guys, we get a whole bunch of both in stock. I can only do that price while we got them. When they're gone, that price is gone. So if you need them, you want to stock up, call us, get them while we got them. We'll get them out today. All right, guys, thank you so much. And of course, as we always say, call us first.